girls, Miss Jordan and I will be teaching you guys perimeter today, right? And by the end of this lesson, I want you guys to know the term, define the term perimeter for me, right? And identify regular shapes. For example, the triangle, the rectangle, the square, and also calculate the perimeter of those same regular shapes, right? And so now we have a video that will be based on perimeter, right? So you guys look keenly at this video because at the end of the lesson you guys have to tell me what you learned, right? Good. Ready?
Okay, boys and girls. So from the video you learned that the perimeter is the distance around the shape. And today what are we looking at? We are going to look at how to find the perimeter for regular shapes. You know, there are all kinds of shapes. But today we're going to look at squares and rectangles and even triangles. How you can find the perimeter around the regular shape. Now boys and girls, to find the perimeter around this book, what do you think I need to do? Here I have my ruler, right? And I'm going to measure the perimeter in cm. Cm is centimeters. What is cm? Centimeters. So here Miss is going to measure the book, right? I want to find the perimeter around this book. Okay, Rosalie, I want to find the perimeter around this book. So I'm going to measure this, and here I have 16 cm at one side. Can you see? Right? I have 16 cm at one side, and here I have 16 cm at the other side. Can you see the 16, right? And okay, 16 cm here, the length, and now I'm going to measure the width. And here I have 10 cm. So Miss have 16 cm here and 16 cm here. So we are going to add 16 plus 16, right? The length. 16 plus 16 is 32. And Miss have 10 cm. The book has 10 cm here and 10 cm here. 10 and 10 is 20. 22 plus 32 equals, anybody want to help me quickly? 20 plus 32 equals 52, right? So the perimeter around this book is 52 centimeters, 52 cm. Okay, boys and girls, Miss is going to measure something. I have a big book here. Look at this. So Miss have a big ruler, right? So there we go. We look at the cm side again, the centimeters. And you can help me, Arvin. You want to help me? Help me quickly, Arvin. Let's do it this way. Help me quickly. How many cm? How many cm? 28 cm, right? So the length is 28 cm. So that would be the same thing, right? 28 plus 28. And there, go ahead. You want to measure this? You want to tell me how much cm? 22. So it would be, you're adding this, the length 2 times and the width 2 times. So 22 plus 22 and 28 plus 28. And that is how we are going to find the perimeter. That is how we are going to find the perimeter. Alright? So in all, the perimeter for that is 100. The perimeter for this book is 100 centimeters. Now, someone's going to tell me the perimeter for that little box.
Quickly.
Who want to try? Who want to try?
Give it a try.
Go ahead. Alright? CM. Alright. So then we have how much now? Right. 11. Alright?
So
now
once
that's the
you have
length.
11, automatically the next side have
11. Right. So it's 11 plus 11 and 4. How much is that? 4 cm.
So if here have 4, here have 4.
Good. So 11 plus 11 is? Anybody want to help me? 11 plus 11 is? 11 plus 11 is? Great. And 4 plus 4 is?
8.
4 plus 4 is? 8. Now 22 plus 8. Quick. Let me see one of them. box that Arvin just found out is 30 centimeters. What are we using? Centimeters. Okay, boys and girls, so those are some little examples as to how we find the perimeter, right? And you can use a big ruler now. Look, you can find the perimeter for this. Folks, do you know that? You just have to measure it. You put a mark here, and then when you mark, you put a mark here. This is the length, and this is would be the width. And you add it up. Okay, boys and girls? So you measure the length. The two lengths would be the same amount, and then you measure the width, and the width would be the same amount. You add it all up. That's how you get your perimeter. All right, boys and girls? Now I hand you over to Miss Autumn. She will continue with the lesson. So focus now.
All right, boys and girls. So now we are gonna do with the Miss show you guys in real life, but just you know, the talking of it, telling you how to find it. But now I'm gonna tell you how to find it using the formulas, right? And the formula is nothing hard, right? So now look here. First, we're gonna find a perimeter of a rectangle, right? And this is what kind of shape? A rectangle. Very good. This is a rectangular shape, right? So look at this shape here. Look at this shape. This is what? A rectangle. Great job, buddy. And this side is the width. And the width is how much? 5 cm. So we are doing centimeters, right? And this side is the length. And the length is 8 centimeters. Great job. So now we are finding the perimeter of the rectangle using a formula. Good. The perimeter equals sum of all the sides. All the sides. Great job. The perimeter equals, we add it all now. 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. And the perimeter equals, we normally group them. We put the 8s together and we put the 5s together. Right? And we got 8 plus 8 is how much? Quickly? 16. Great job. 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Great job. So 16 plus 10 is equal? 26.
Talk a little louder. You're speaking a little louder, Rashana.
And we forgot something. We forgot our main thing here. The unit. Centimeter. We cannot forget the cm. Right? So that's how we find the perimeter of a rectangular shape. Right? Let's see now. We are finding the perimeter of a triangle now, right? This is a triangle. Now look at this. Look at this. What are you seeing here? How many sides are you seeing?
Triangle.
3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. Very good. So this is going to hold it for me. So we are finding the perimeter of the triangle. And this side has how many? Centimeters. 6 centimeters. This side has how many?
7.
7 centimeters. Great job. And this side has how many? 5 centimeters. Great job. So we are finding the perimeter of the triangle now. So perimeter equals sum of all sides. We need to remember that the sum of all the sides, right? So perimeter equals, we add 6 plus 5 plus 7. So 6 plus 5 is how much? Quickly. 11.
Great job, Arvin. Great job. Just
11.
a little louder.
Just speak up, right? 11 plus 7 is how much?
18.
18.
Wow.
18. Very good, but 18 what? 18 cm or 18 centimeter. Great job. You cannot forget our units, right? So that's how we find the perimeter of a triangular shape, right? Good. So now we go to the easiest one. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a what? Square. Good. So as you know, a square has all the sides are equal. Great job. All the sides are equal. So if here is 5, automatically all the rest of 3 sides is 5 centimeters. Right? So we go to solution quickly. How to find perimeter equal the sum of all sides. Perimeter equal 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is how much? 10 plus 5 plus 5. 20. Great job. You know if 5 times 0. So the perimeter of this square here is 20 what? 20 cm. Great job. Or centimeter, which is correct. We say cm short. Form and centimeter is still correct. So So now we're gonna move in straight into our game.
Okay.
Our little game on our computers. We have a little game there. So, Maddie, you're just gonna look over here quickly.
This one is the password.
Slowly walk along the edge of the box and measure the short side is 8 inches and the long
So you choose the correct answer.
Right? You're
The
choosing the
parameter.
correct answer. Right?
This is a rectangle. All right, you see it there? All right, so choose the correct answer for the perimeter for the rectangle. Go ahead. Vadir, you're going to watch with Arvin. Arvin, you're going to work along with Vadir, right? He's going to watch. Go ahead, Arvin. Choose the correct side of the perimeter for the box. Choose the correct side. Correct.
do inside a box, even a box with a 56-inch.
All right. Correct.
However, Alfalfa didn't mind because there was always more math to be done. Now that I know the length of the short side and the long side,
Yes, she said to herself. She wondered what sort of data she could.
20 plus 28. Alright, take a great job. So you click in the answer. So tap on it. Tap on it. No, you're just tapping on it. You just tap it. No. That's the correct answer. It is.
There's not much to do.
So you are going to draw the length and the width. All right? 8 centimeters. Go ahead. The length is 8 centimeters. Make sure it's straight. Mm-hmm. Wow. And then the width is 5 centimeters. The width is 5 centimeters.
Great job, buddy.
Go ahead.
Great job.
And
Lovely tracing.
you draw the length again. How many centimeters you're drawing again?
No,
Remember,
yes,
the
we
length
are.
has to be.
It's a square, so 4 have to go how many times? 4 times. Great job. So write your 4 there. Right at the bottom there. 4, yes. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equal.
Good.
4 is how much?
Good job. Now, can you put the centimeters around?
Add
Put
it
the
up
centimeters and then you add.
Don't just put it, just- Trace that in first. Yeah, you can go there. Right there. Three is correct. Let's put 3 in front. Good job. Just add them now.
So that is it, right? So today you would have learned what the term, be able to define the term perimeter, and you are now able to find the perimeter of regular shapes. All right? So, Arvin or Roshana, Valir, any one of you would like to tell us what is a perimeter? Would you like to define the term perimeter?
Yeah, only words, only the words, only the understanding.
What do you understand by the term perimeter? Perimeter is the, say it aloud, the distance around what? Around the given shape, right? All right, Arvin. Now what are you going to do? We're now introducing this lesson. So Arvin, for your exit ticket, what you're going to do, this is a shape. What shape is this? You're going to find the perimeter for that square. Quickly, go
Find
ahead.
the perimeter.
Find the perimeter for that square.
Yeah. 8 again. Great job. Another 8. 8.
So what's the perimeter?
So what's the perimeter? 30.
Wow! Good job, right? All right.
Roshana, you're gonna tell me what is the name of the shape? What for your exit ticket? What is the name of the shape? What is it? Speak up. What's it? What is this? What is this? The rectangle. What is it? Very good. What is it? The rectangle. Great job. Name of the shape. What is the name of the shape? Look at the shape. What is the name of the shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. Great job, Adin. And Roshana, for your exit ticket, you're gonna tell me the name of the shape. What's the name of the shape? Rectangle. Great job. High five. Right.
And there we have it, boys and girls. So today we learned about parameters, what is a parameter, and how to find the parameter of regular shapes. We will continue in our next lesson. So whenever you see shapes, you just tell yourself that each shape has a parameter and you can find it, right? And the unit of measurement we used today was centimeters, cm. Okay, so you can pick up any shape, right? Rectangle, triangle, all the we taught you about regular shapes, and you can find the perimeter. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for being such wonderful students, and we will continue this lesson the next time we have math.
Yes.
We will build on this lesson.